Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have a quite short video, yet it is somewhat useful for most of you Volkswagen Audi Group car owners. Today I will show you how to correctly remove a headlight switch unit. I think it's called a unit, not sure. Anyways, I have read quite a few Facebook posts when people try to remove this by sticking some kind of hard objects and prying them out. It's not correct way. I will show you how to easily remove it without breaking. So you just push the lever in, turn it, and it comes out just like that. And to put it back in, you push it in, turn the lights off, and it's in its place just like that. Let's see it one more time. Whoop, 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 whoop. Easy, right? So if you want to see any more videos of how to do something with Passat B5.5, just message me. I can make something happen. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.